1033 exchange where if you buy a property and you sell it that year, you buy another property, you can defer the taxes.
So, 1031 exchange, right? We have clients currently. I love it, but it's not for flips. Okay? That's the number one rule to understand. People think you can do a flip in 1031 and you can't. You have to be able to prove to the IRS that this was an investment property you planned on keeping, right? So you have to show that you rented it. Some tax people might say 9 months, but at least a year. You want to show that you've rented the property, right? At that point, you can sell it, and the equity you put into a 1031 exchange. You have to get a qualified 1031 company to handle the exchange for you. Because at closing, the money goes right to them. It never comes to you. It goes right to them. And you have 45 days to identify a property or multiple properties you're going to invest in. Those properties have to be of equal or greater value. Right? This is why this is monopoly. You're scaling up. They're forcing you to scale up. They'll allow you to defer taxes because they know further down the line you're not going to pay them more because it's a bigger property, right? It's the IRS's game, right? So you have to make sure it's of greater value and you can purchase that property. The best part is if you use the BRRRR method, right? So you BRRRR a property. Let's start with a simple property. You bought a $30,000 property for $40,000 into it. It's now worth $100. You go through a cash out refinance, you get your 70 back, you have 20, you have 30% equity. You rent it for 2-3 years. That property is now worth $140,000. You can go back to the bank, do another cash out refinance, pull 110 out. On top of the 70 pulled out before, so now you have 40 out, right? This is a cash out refinance, so loan. So it's not taxable. So that 40 you pulled out does not show up anywhere, right? It's not showing up on your tax return. You are now able to use that money to go buy another property. Or, I don't know, put it all in black and Chester Harris, right? But I'd rather recommend you buy another property, right?